A 2024 question from the chapter of amines. Which of the following compounds on treatment with benzene sulphonyl chloride forms an alkali soluble precipitate? So benzene sulphonyl chloride is ClS, double bond O here, double bond O, pH, that is the benzene ring. So this reagent is called Hinsberg reagent. It's the Hinsberg reagent used to differentiate between the different amines, primary, secondary, or tertiary. So we are asked which of the following compounds on treatment with this Hinsberg reagent or benzene sulphonyl chloride forms an alkali soluble precipitate. It is the primary amine which answers this test. So now among the given compounds, which is a primary amine, here you can see there are 3 CH3 groups attached to nitrogen. So this is a tertiary amine. Next one you can see is an amide. This won't give the test. Even this won't give the test. This is an amide. And what about the next one? There are 2 CH3 groups attached to this nitrogen, 2 carbons attached to nitrogen. So this is a secondary amine. This also will not answer the test. Whereas here we can see only 1 carbon is directly attached to this nitrogen. So this is a primary amine, and this will give the alkali soluble precipitate for after Hinsberg reagent reaction. So this is a primary. Now why does this primary amine give this test? This is a primary amine, RNH2. Hydrogens I have written like this. So this is the Hinsberg reagent. This HCl will get removed and the compound like this will be formed as the product of Hinsberg reagent reaction with primary amine. Now here you can see this is an alkali, sodium hydroxide. This will take up this hydrogen from here as a proton. These electrons will move up there. Now this hydrogen behaves as an acidic hydrogen because of the -M effect of these oxygens. And as a result, since it's taken up by the alkali, you get a soluble precipitate. That is, an alkali soluble precipitate is obtained. Now for a secondary amine, this is a secondary amine. 2 alkyl groups attached or 2 carbons attached to the nitrogen and 1 hydrogen here. So this will get removed as HCl and you get this product. But here you can see that there are no more hydrogens on this nitrogen, or there is no acidic hydrogen here to react with the sodium hydroxide. So as a result, you will not get an alkali soluble precipitate. You won't be getting an alkali soluble precipitate. Now what about a tertiary amine? Say 3 carbons attached to this nitrogen, plus you are treating it with the Hinsberg reagent, that is Cl, S, double bond O here, double bond O here, and a phenyl group here. Are there any hydrogens here to react with this chlorine? No. So you won't be getting any product here. So it will not react with the tertiary amine. So we need to identify this primary amine, and option D will be our correct choice.